So for financial considerations, what I love about uLab is competitive pricing with strong margins, low lab fee, high hourly production. We get to upsell whitening retainers and minor cosmetic work such as bonding and veneers. And then we use Social 6 as a practice growth driver. Return on investment and case volume, 12 to 24 Social 6 cases per year is a major return on investment. Minimal chair time and is a very scalable service. Hygienists can pre-scan candidates, and it keeps treatment revenue in-house. So let's explore the profit potential. At first, aligners were a clinical service, but now with uLab, it's a highly profitable business model. Less about volume, but more about creating a smart, predictable financial structure. We're going to go over a Social 6 example. Our case fee for Social 6, $2,000. uLab fee, about $309. Net profit, over $1,600. Social 6 cases produce a powerful revenue stream and require less chair time and minimal refinements. Let's go over the return on investment breakdown. This is the Social 6 uAdjust 10 bundle. This is anterior alignment cases, no complex mechanics, minimal refinement, low lab costs, low overhead, and fast turnaround. 2 cases per month, 24 annual cases per year at a $2,000 case fee, minus the lab fee, net profit $1,600, estimated annual profit for 2 cases a month, over $40,000. It's absolutely amazing. So why this model works so well? It's the low lab fee and the high profit margins. The short treatment duration frees up chair time. Its simple, predictable cases mean fewer attachments. Aesthetically motivated patients have high case acceptance, and it's a gateway to additional treatment like whitening and veneers. And best of all, you can tap into your existing patient pool with no additional marketing dollars. So the big picture, 2 Social 6 cases per month, $40,000 per year. It's just a predictable profit stream, no extra ops or associates, and minimal chair time. You can align your clinical workflow with lean, profitable cases. So some of the advantages of using uAdjust 10 for Social 6 cases: ultra low lab costs, $309 total bundle, including the 10 aligners, 2 retainers, custom packaging, and standard shipping. Comparable lab fees are much higher from what I found. With a $2,000 patient fee, it's a very high profit margin. This is ideal for aesthetic cases. It's perfect for Social 6 treatments, mild to moderate anterior crowding, and relapse cases, typically requiring fewer aligners, shorter treatment times, and minimal refinement. Fast turnaround times keep patients in the practice on schedule. Full doctor control with flexibility. You get to design cases in office and leverage uAssist. No contracts, no case minimums. Total flexibility to treat the case on your own terms and not the lab's. All-inclusive bundle with simple add-ons. Like we talked about before, if refinements are needed, not a problem. Let's say it's 14 trays. Easy to do. You just do an a la carte option and add a couple more trays. It's just transparent pricing from the start. There's no surprise lab fees and no hidden fees whatsoever. Easy case acceptance with a lower patient fee. It makes treatment accessible and attractive. Patients love faster results, fewer appointments, and very clear expectations. It's such a perfect add-on to hygiene visits and recall appointments. It's scalable and profitable. High profit per case, over $1,600 net. Even a few cases per month generate a steady, predictable revenue without expensive marketing. And this is a great way for GPs to confidently build an aesthetic aligner program.